Hold on, you've never seen a motorhome this luxurious before.
Subscribe to Apex Motorhome right now. The best is just getting started.
Imagine pulling onto Main Street during America's 250th Independence celebration and watching every camera swing toward one breathtaking Kenworth motorhome that looks ready for tomorrow, not today. Because this rolling masterpiece changes everything instantly ahead. Apex Motorhomes proudly wishes every American a joyful, happy 250th Independence anniversary. May this historic milestone inspire unforgettable adventures across our beautiful nation. Before we step inside, please like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from, because your support helps us bring more extraordinary luxury RV adventures every single week. From the outside, the patriotic theme immediately stands out, yet the real story begins once the main door opens. Every level has a clear purpose, and every room builds toward an even bigger surprise. Let's begin with the first floor. The lounge welcomes guests with generous seating, panoramic windows, thoughtful lighting, and an atmosphere designed for relaxing after long highway journeys. Instead of overwhelming visitors with unnecessary extravagance, the space balances comfort, conversation, and impressive craftsmanship. Large windows constantly reconnect everyone with changing American landscapes, making every stop feel memorable. Just beyond this inviting gathering space, another essential area raises expectations even higher. The kitchen continues the experience with premium finishes, organized storage, practical work surfaces, and appliances positioned for efficient meal preparation while traveling. Every detail appears focused on convenience without sacrificing elegance, proving that life on the road can still feel refined. However, the next room demonstrates that thoughtful planning extends far beyond cooking. The bathroom emphasizes privacy, cleanliness, and smart space management. Carefully arranged fixtures maximize functionality while maintaining a polished appearance suitable for extended travel. Every inch works efficiently, showing how luxury sometimes comes from intelligent design rather than excessive size. Still, the next destination offers an even more personal experience. The bedroom creates a peaceful retreat where owners can unwind after exploring America's highways. Comfortable surroundings, calming colors, and carefully planned storage encourage genuine rest before another adventure begins. Yet productivity has not been forgotten, and the following space proves exactly why. The office provides a dedicated environment for remote work, trip planning, video meetings, or managing business responsibilities while traveling. Reliable organization transforms the motorhome into more than transportation, allowing freedom without disconnecting from important commitments. Even so, one final first-floor feature completes this level perfectly. The gym encourages healthy routines wherever the road leads. Exercise equipment, open movement space, and motivating surroundings support wellness without requiring outside facilities. Floor 1 successfully combines relaxation, productivity, and fitness, but the second floor introduces experiences many viewers never expect inside a motorhome. The massage room immediately shifts the mood toward complete relaxation, offering a calming environment designed for recovery after demanding travel days. Nearby, the medication room keeps health essentials organized, accessible, and ready whenever needed, reflecting practical planning alongside luxury. Next comes the most private space of all. The private couple's room creates a quiet escape intended for peaceful moments together, separated from the busier entertainment areas. Privacy becomes part of the experience, making the layout feel intentional instead of crowded. Surprisingly, the atmosphere changes dramatically once the next door opens. The kids' play area brings energy, creativity, and laughter into the journey, giving younger travelers their own comfortable place to stay engaged. Right afterward, the dance club transforms the mood again, creating an exciting entertainment zone for celebrations, music, and unforgettable evenings with family and friends. The laundry area keeps longer adventures practical by making fresh clothing convenient without constant stops. Nearby, the men's dressing and grooming suite offers organized storage, mirrors, and preparation space for every occasion. Just when you think every practical feature has appeared, another remarkable highlight waits nearby. The indoor swimming pool delivers an unexpected centerpiece, surrounding travelers with a resort-inspired atmosphere rarely associated with highway living. Whether used for gentle relaxation or refreshing exercise, it dramatically changes expectations about premium recreational vehicles. Still, one final second-floor destination quietly controls everything else. The Smart Technology Hub connects essential systems, helping monitor lighting, climate, entertainment, and other integrated features through centralized controls. That technological backbone supports the entire living experience, but nothing prepares you for the unforgettable finale waiting above. Finally, the rooftop deck rewards every step through the motorhome with sweeping views, fresh air, comfortable seating, and the unmistakable feeling of celebrating freedom beneath open American skies. As fireworks honor the nation's remarkable milestone, this elevated retreat becomes the perfect place to reflect on how far engineering, travel, and imagination have come together. Whether parked beside mountains, coastlines, deserts, or historic towns, every sunset creates a different memory, reminding travelers that the greatest destination is always the next unforgettable American journey together awaiting everyone. If you enjoyed exploring this extraordinary Kenworth motorhome, subscribe now, share this video, and join us for more incredible luxury RV tours that continue pushing expectations beyond the horizon.